When measuring the minimum length of handrail extensions at the top and bottom of ramp runs, the measurement is always taken from the end of the ramp run where the level landing begins. For the safest reading of the 2010 ADA standards, the minimum handrail extension length is measured between the end of the ramp run and the nearest point where it either stops running horizontally or stops traveling in the same direction. From the side view of this example, the length of the extension stops running in a horizontal direction when it begins to run downward toward the walking surface. This is not evident from the top or plan view. As a result, the minimum length measurement would be x, taken from the end of the ramp run to the point where the non-horizontal direction begins. This is the case for all handrail extensions that turn downward to return to either the ground surface or back toward a post. For handrails that return to the wall, similar principles apply. In this wall return example, it is clear from the side view that the handrail extends horizontally to its end. However, a top or plan view reveals that the handrail changes direction before it reaches the end. Because of that direction change, it also no longer maintains the minimum 1.5 inch clearance to the wall. So, this is the point at which the length should be measured. Some extensions return in non-standard ways, such as in this handrail example with a 90-degree angle toward the end. Because the handrail clearly changes direction at that point, and also because the 1.5 inch minimum clearance requirement is no longer available, a strict reading of the standards would indicate measuring the length to the furthest point where the handrail extends in the direction of the ramp run and where there is still 1.5 inches of hand clearance between the railing and the wall.